We took a position in the Nigerian Governors Forum not to comment on the VAT issue because it's still going through the courts. And until the Supreme Court makes a final pronouncement on the matter, anything that you see today can be changed. Even the states that have passed legislation, the Supreme Court can override them. Okay? So I am reluctant to comment on that. But people think that VAT, value-added tax, is a sales tax. It is not. Value-added tax is a special kind of tax. And there are many ways to look at it, and I am sure at the appropriate time, the Nigerian Governors Forum will look at it and take a position. But until then, I am reluctant to comment on a matter that is still going through the judicial system. Thank you.
Open grazing is a contentious issue. I don't know whether you can talk about it just briefly, sir. No. Open grazing.
I didn't chair a committee on open grazing. Look, the Northern State Governors Forum has already taken a position that open grazing is not a sustainable way of livestock production, and we must move towards ranching. Okay, but moving towards ranching cannot be done overnight. We have to have a plan, we have to have resources, we have to implement it sensibly. It's not a matter of populist legislation or saying that tomorrow this or that. It's not the solution. We have taken a position as Northern State Governors and we're implementing that. And in my state, for instance, we are developing a huge ranch at Damao where we'll sedentarize the herders. And that's the solution long term. But can it be done overnight? No. This project we are doing will cost us about 10 billion naira. The CBN is supporting us with about 7.5 billion. And it will take about 2 years to do. We will be settling 1,500 Fulani herder families and hope that they will see that there are alternatives of producing livestock instead of running up and down with cattle and going into people's farms and causing all kinds of problems. So we want to solve the problem. What is unhelpful is to politicize a situation and pass legislation that you cannot implement. So we have taken a position and we are working round the clock to implement that position. And these herders emanate from the north, and we are going to sedentarize them, but we can't do it overnight. And we need billions of naira to do it. This is just one ranch that is costing 10 billion. I have 14 grazing reserves in Kaduna State that I would like to convert into ranches. Do I have 14 times 10 billion naira? I don't have. If the federal government will give me 140 billion, I will convert all the other 13 into ranches and make sure that nobody comes out with a cow or sheep in Kaduna State, because I will have enough ranches to take care of everybody. That is the solution. Legislation, you can legislate. Let's wait and see. I wish them all the best of luck. Thank you
very much.
Thank you.